So little Melvin showed up this morning and it's cold. We've got heat going on. The main thing is to get him really dry in a hurry so he doesn't, have to sit there and shiver. So we're brushing him and drying him, and we've got a lot of heat going here. We did this before. Unfortunately, their cycle, the male snuck in and got her pregnant right after he was born last year, about the same time. The challenges of having alpacas in the cold weather are just being responsible, knowing when they're coming and giving them lots of heat. Anyway, say hello to Melvin. Camaro Bruce. See ya.